During perimenopause, protein becomes such an essential ally. It's one of the most important nutrients to support your body all the way through the ups and downs of the kind of hormonal roller coaster. Protein is essentially the building block of everything. The muscles, the bones, the skin, even your hormones and the immune system rely on protein. It won't directly boost your hormone production, but getting enough protein really helps your body function properly. It helps your energy levels, keeps them steady, it supports recovery, especially when you feel like you're running on empty. This is important because perimenopause can be exhausting. You can have heavy periods, saggy skin, increased weight gain, muscle loss, and the type of tiredness that coffee just isn't going to tackle. Falling estrogen levels can throw things out of sync, and protein rich foods can really help. So think fish and cheese and eggs and beans. All these foods are great protein sources, but they're also packed in other nutrients like calcium, iron, and zinc. And these can dip, particularly if your periods are heavy. Now, I found that paying attention to my protein intake really helps control sugar cravings and energy crashes. So a breakfast of egg and beans is going to work for me better than a croissant or a granola. It keeps me full and focused and not wilting or brain fog. And don't forget to mix it up. Add plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas and peas, because it's going to give you a fiber boost as well, which is a win for digestion during perimenopause. Trust me, your peri-gut will thank you. So have you noticed a difference when you add more protein? I'd love to hear what's worked for you and what you're still figuring out. Drop your thoughts or tips or questions in the comments. We always enjoy hearing from you.